Hello there everyone, or the two people that will probably watch this video. No my ugly mug today, so you're safe from that. It's just a quick video, interesting video. Well, I thought it was interesting, so... the video isn't actually about the pen so much, so it's not a writing sample, it's not a pen review. It's about the filling system of this pen, which I thought was quite interesting. Now, my dad bought this pen because he thought it was an interesting pen. So I mean, it's a universal. See if we can universal. You see it there? It has VV on the clip. Not altogether clear on the brand. From what I gather from reading up, it's only a very a cheaper brand from Italy. But that isn't what we're here to see. Let's see. Here we go. Nice hooded nib. Well, I don't like hooded nibs. I mean, it is gold. It says 14K. I'm not a fan of hooded nibs, and it's very, very extra fine, which my dad likes and I don't. But that's not the reason. What do we see if we can? I don't know if you can see there. Look here. That, my friends, is an ink window. So you're thinking, piston filler. This is inked, by the way, which is why it's so difficult to see. Piston filler, this pen. But no. Barrel unscrews from above the section. And then we have this. What I thought was interesting about this, you've got the ink window here. This is part of the filling system. So there's this plunger. Obviously, it works like other plunger pens. That goes down and then you pull up the ink with the plunger. And what I like about this is it's all built into the section. I've never seen this before. I don't know if any of you have. So you've got your ink window. This is part of the section. The actual barrel threads are here. And then this, I'll show you without getting ink everywhere. When you want to clean it, this unscrews. Do that gently. That pulls off, and then you can pull the entire piston assembly out and give it all a proper clean, which I really like. It holds a decent amount of ink. I just thought that was a really nice, interesting way of doing an ink filling system. So it's not like your usual cartridge converter, be whatever model it is, screw or whatever. You have to take, the barrel would have unscrewed here, and you didn't have an ink window, and it was a completely separate part. This is actually part of the pen, and the ink window is essentially the section. I just thought it was a really, really interesting design of finish. I really like it. I really like it, I have to say. I think that's excellent design of filling system. Because one thing that I find on some pens are easier to clean than others, and some piston fillers are quite difficult to clean and flush out, and obviously sac fillers are a pain, even if you like vintage pens. But this is brilliant. So you get a nice ink amount in there. It's got an ink window in the section, so you don't have to keep unscrewing the barrel, and it's all, this is metal, and that unscrews to aid cleaning. So I thought that was really interesting. I've never seen a pen like that before. Maybe you have. You can comment about it and maybe tell me. So I hope that's of some interest to you. It surprised me when I hold on, I've lost the barrel. It surprised me when I first saw it. I was quite shocked because you know you get to an age you think you've seen everything. Well, obviously not. I haven't. So there we go.